The digital world moves fast, really fast. To win in business today, you need to be ahead of the game. That means understanding the latest trends. It means using the right tools. It means adapting to change quickly. Staying ahead isn't just about keeping up. It's about getting an edge on your competition. It's about reaching more customers and making a bigger impact. When you're ahead of the curve, you have more opportunities to grow. You can make smarter decisions, and you can build a business that thrives. But how do you stay ahead in a world that's constantly changing? How do you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing? That's where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive is your partner in progress. It's a game changer for businesses ready to embrace the future of digital marketing. In the next section, we'll dive into exactly what Onpassive is and how it can help you win in 2025 and beyond. But before we do, please take a moment and subscribe and comment below. Thanks.
So what is Onpassive? Onpassive is an innovative platform that provides AI-powered business solutions. It's designed to simplify and automate your digital marketing efforts. Think of it as your all-in-one toolkit for online success. Onpassive offers a suite of tools that cover everything from website building to lead generation to customer support. This means you can manage all aspects of your online presence from one central location. No more juggling multiple platforms or struggling with complicated software. But Onpassive is more than just a set of tools. It's a complete system that works together seamlessly to help you achieve your business goals. With Onpassive, you can attract more leads and convert them into loyal customers, streamline your marketing processes and save valuable time, gain deeper insights into your target audience and their behavior, stay ahead of the competition with cutting-edge technology, and scale your business faster and more efficiently. Onpassive empowers you to work smarter, not harder. It takes the guesswork out of digital marketing and gives you the tools and strategies you need to succeed.
As we look ahead to 2025, several key trends are shaping the future of digital marketing. Understanding these trends is crucial for staying ahead and adapting your strategies accordingly. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming how we live and work, and digital marketing is no exception. From chatbots to personalized recommendations, AI is automating tasks, improving efficiency, and enhancing the customer experience. Voice search optimization is another trend to watch. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, optimizing your website and content for voice search is no longer optional. People are increasingly using their voices to search for information and make purchases. Video marketing domination is also on the rise. Video continues to be a powerful medium for engaging audiences and conveying your brand message. Short-form video content in particular is gaining traction and will likely play a significant role in 2025. Lastly, the power of personalization cannot be underestimated. Consumers expect personalized experiences tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Using data to segment your audience and deliver relevant content will be essential for success. These are just a few of the trends that will shape the digital landscape in the coming years. By embracing these trends and adapting your strategies, you can position your business for continued growth and success.
Section 4. Winning with AI, how Onpassive leverages AI for you. As we've established, AI is a game changer in digital marketing, but harnessing the power of AI can seem daunting, especially if you're not a tech expert. That's where Onpassive comes in. Onpassive integrates AI into every aspect of its platform, making it easy for you to leverage this transformative technology. Here are just a few ways Onpassive uses AI to your advantage. Smart automation. Onpassive automates repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and resources so you can focus on strategic initiatives. This includes everything from email marketing to social media posting to lead generation. Data-driven insights. Onpassive analyzes vast amounts of data to provide you with actionable insights into your target audience, their behavior, and the effectiveness of your campaigns. Personalized experiences. Onpassive helps you deliver personalized content and offers to your audience based on their interests, preferences, and past behavior. Predictive analytics. Onpassive uses AI to predict future trends and outcomes, allowing you to make proactive decisions and stay ahead of the competition. With Onpassive, you don't need to be an AI expert to reap the benefits of this incredible technology. Onpassive does the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business.
Section 5. Practical strategies using Onpassive to your advantage. Now that you understand the power of Onpassive, let's explore some practical strategies for using it to stay ahead in 2025. Optimize your website for voice search. Use Onpassive's SEO tools to optimize your website content for voice search queries. This includes using natural language, long-tail keywords, and providing concise, informative answers. For more information about Onpassive and things to look forward to in 2025, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.